In BricsCAD Mechanical, scanned surfaces are treated like any other mechanical body. Open the scan, limit the selection to just the cover, then add thickness. And the designer has an accurate 3D model of the physical part. BricsCAD Mechanical uses direct modeling for 3D design. With direct modeling, users select the faces or portions of the model that need to be edited or promoted from 2D to 3D. Click on the modeling task, such as extrude or draft or extract, and then drag the design into the desired configuration. Direct modeling eliminates the need for the history tree commonly used by other 3D modelers. There's no need for a history. Just select what needs to be edited or created and model it directly. The modeling tools in BricsCAD Mechanical are simple to use and quite powerful. As you can see here, this easy-to-access software is being used to create extremely detailed designs. Our vision with BricsCAD Mechanical is to provide non-3D experts with access to the benefits of 3D without the complexity. Regardless of whether they start with designs from scratch, as you see here with the clip, or from existing models like we did with the scan. Let's return to the scan of the mirror cover. This client creates aftermarket automotive accessories. In this case, the clips were failing, so they needed to be updated for the design. The client used details in the scan to precisely orient and locate the updated clip geometry. Again, you can see how direct modeling is used to extend the clips where needed so that they are fully connected with the cover and not just floating in space. With the clips in place, the designer needed to integrate all of the bodies in the model into a single part. This is done in just a few steps by first selecting the clips and then using the union command to create one integrated plastic part. Once the geometry modeling is done, it's time to start the detailing task. First, the designer assigned the materials using the material library in BricsCAD Mechanical. Then there's a series of final checks to make sure that all of the clips are in place and to ensure that the clips aren't obstructed in the overall assembly. The next step is to quickly create complete and accurate production drawings. The drawing mode, or paper space, in BricsCAD Mechanical is where layouts of drawings are defined. BricsCAD Mechanical users have access to a wide variety of view and visualization types, from rendering ISO views to standard ortho views to section and, as you can see, detailed views. With the views in place, it's a simple process to add dimensions, symbols, and annotations to the design. This information can be created in any view, and the information is completely associative. Changes to the model will also be updated here in the drawings. In addition to typical dimensions, BricsCAD Mechanical also includes the required tools to document tolerances and other production details, such as datums. As you can see, application of these details are available in both the command line and the ribbon. This helps make BricsCAD Mechanical easy to learn and adopt. BricsCAD Mechanical provides manufacturers with the fastest path from physical parts to scans to 3D models and finally to completely detailed 2D production drawings. The unique direct modeling capabilities help make the benefits of 3D accessible to anyone, including non-3D experts. and the full suite of geometric tolerancing tools ensure that the design intent is clearly and completely communicated to the production team. If you need professional mechanical design and drafting software with no compromises on cost or licensing, then you need to take a closer look at BricsCAD Mechanical.